Hello, everybody. Welcome to September's edition of Tasty Explorations. I hope you've all had a wonderful summer and it's time to get back into the school year, and fall is my favorite time of year, so I hope that it's going to be a great one. We'll see how the weather pans out. It was a hot summer and I'm really looking forward to the cooler days and evenings of autumn. But this month's book is called The Salad Lab: Recipes for Making Fabulous Salads Every Day. And it's by Darlene Schrijver, I believe is how you pronounce her last name. And I really enjoyed this book. Sometimes, for me personally, salads can get a little boring, so this was fun. The reason why she calls it Salad Lab is it's based on her online videos that became quite popular. She started to post TikTok videos for her college-age daughter and her friends to show them the different types of salads that she made. And her daughter said, the videos are a little boring, Mom. Maybe you could make them kind of fun. So she went with a science lab theme. So that's where the name comes from. I haven't personally watched any of the videos, but go ahead, and I'm sure they're out there somewhere on the internet. So you should check those out if you want to see the recipes that she makes and not just read them. Overall, the book, I liked it. Very well organized, nice photographs. The recipes are simple. Some are more exotic than others, but the one that I chose to make for today is actually a very common recipe that I make for dinner or picnics in my family, and that's a potato salad. Not your traditional lettuce salad, but there's plenty of these in here. So I made the American potato salad, and I thought it was interesting because she adds diced up dill pickle and a little bit of the pickle juice to the salad. So when you're making the dressing with a typical American potato salad, you use mayonnaise and mustard and whatever seasonings you want. And I've always just done it that way, but I've never added the pickle juice to it. And sometimes potato salad can turn out a little dry after it's been refrigerated for a while. So I'm interested to see if the juice helps kind of keep the moisture so the potatoes aren't so dry. Anyway, I've made that this morning, and I'm going to let it refrigerate for a while, and then we'll give it a taste test, and we'll see how it goes. But overall, this is a great book, and I think you should definitely check it out and see what you can make. All that fresh produce, and it's harvest time here in Wisconsin, so there's plenty of vegetables to go around to make a salad. So yeah, give it a try. Hop in the library to check out a copy, and let me know what you think about it. All right, everybody, I'm back with my little bowl of American potato salad. I put it in a little glass bowl so you could see it easier. I did use potatoes, the little red potatoes with the skin still on them, rather than peeled potatoes. Just what I had on hand. But let's give it a little taste and see what it's like. That is really good. I love a good potato salad. So yeah, overall, I think Darlene's book is fantastic. This recipe turned out great and was easy to follow and create. So again, stop in the library anytime to request one of the books and we'll set you up. Let me know what you make. Otherwise, I hope you have a fabulous month and you have fun exploring and trying new recipes, and we'll see you again some other time. Bye!